First of all, good morning to all of you students. Here we try to understand what is fraction. When any whole thing is divided many equal parts, each part is called fraction. Suppose that here any field, if we divide that field into three equal parts, that part, that part, that part, here if we say each parts are equal, then we say 1 by 3 each part. That means 1 by 3 is a fraction. When any whole thing is divided many equal parts, here we try to understand with an example. Suppose that here are only one apple, here are only one apple and divide into 20 portions. How to divide? Here we cut apple into 20 equal pieces and give one part each person. That is called 120, 1 by 20. That part is called a numerator. Above the line, that number is called numerator, and below the part is denominator denominator, right? That means that here we say that is total part, and that part is called taken part. It is clear that means one is taken part and 20 is total part. Here we take one part and here total part is 20. It is clear that how to add fraction, how to how to add how to add fraction, how to add fraction. That means here we try to understand how to add fraction. Here are some condition. First condition is when the denominator part when the denominator part when the denominator parts when the denominator parts are same when the denominator parts are same. For example, here we take an example. Here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Here observe denominator part are equal. How to add? First we write denominator as it is and also numerator part as it is, and add the numerator part and also as write denominator part. That means here we write 2 as it is, and here we take numerator part of that fraction, and here we take numerator part of that fraction and add them. Here 2 by 2, and observe any number, common number in both, that means numerator part and denominator part, then we divide by common number and change into simplest form. Here we try to understand what is simplest form. Simplest form, that means no any common number in numerator part and denominator part except 1. That fraction is called simplest form. Here observe any number is common. Yes, here we say that 2 is common number, so we divide by 2 one time. That is the simplest form. It is clear that if we do not find the directly which number is common number, we find the SCF of the both number, that means numerator part and denominator part, and divide by its SCF in numerator part and denominator part and change into simplest form. It is clear that here we try to understand with other example. Here 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, and here add the number. Here observe the denominator part, or denominator parts are same, so we write here 5, and here numerator part as it is right here 1, and here numerator part is 3, so we write here 3, and add the number here 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, so we write here 4 and by 5. It is clear that means 4 by 5. Observe 4 and 5, any common number except 1? No. Here no any common number. It is clear that is the answer of the question. Here we try to understand second condition when the denominator parts are different. When the denominator parts are different. Second condition is when the denominator parts when the denominator parts are different. That means, for example, 1 by 3 and here 1 by 5, and observe here 3 and 5 both are not same, that are different, so we find here LCM of the denominator part. If the denominator part are different, we find the LCM of the denominator part because both are equal. Here if we find the LCM of 3 and 5, we get here LCM of 3 and 5 is 3 and 5 is 15, so we write here 15, and here multiplied in each fraction, and here do not show the process. Here we multiplied by 15, and here we multiplied by 15 also, and 3 5s are 15, so we write here 5 and multiplied by its numerator part. Here 5 1s are 5, so we write here 5, and here divide by 5, here 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3, so we write here 3, and here sign is plus, so we write here plus, and add the number here 5 and 3 is 8 and y 15. That is the answer. Here observe, here that process do not show the in question, but here we try to understand, so here we write that number, and here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, here we find the LCM of 3 and 5, here 15, 3 5s are 15, and here multiplied by its numerator part, and 5 into 1 is equal to 5, and here 5 3s are 15, so we write here 3 1s are 3, and here write 3, and add them, here 5 and 3 is 8, and 15 here write we 15. That is the answer of the question. It is clear that, and observe any common number. Here no. If we try to understand with here by SCF, here we find the partially fraction of the number here 8 prime factor. We find the prime factor of 8 here 2, here 4, and here 2, 4, 2, and here 2. That means here prime factor of 8, here prime factor of 8, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. It is clear that, and here multiplied by 1 also, and here multiplied by 1 also, and here we find the prime factor of 15. Here prime factor of 15, here 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5, so we write here 1, and here we write prime factor of 15, that is equal to 1 into 3 into 5, and observe any number is common number, here only ones, so we write here SCF, that is equal to 1. That means 1 is SCF, so we divide by SCF, so here we find no any common number in 8 and 15. That is clear. That is in the simplest form. That is clear. Any doubt?